Hello everyone, welcome to Education Corner. So today we will learn how to find maximum and minimum value in Excel list of data. So what you have to do is first select the column where you want to find the maximum or minimum value, then go to AutoSum function in the toolbar. You will find a drop down there. So if you click on the drop down, you will get options like auto sum, average, count numbers, maximum, and minimum. So now I want to find a maximum value in the selected column. So what I am going to do is I'm going to click on max. So it will automatically find the maximum value in the list of data and give the answer. So if you want to find for the rest of the columns, just drag the cursor, you will be able to do it. The same goes for minimum. Just go to AutoSum, select minim, and then drag the cell. You will be able to do it in seconds. Thank you. Follow for more.